Hello, welcome to another episode. In this episode, we are going to talk about one of the essential exponential equation. So, before that, could you please like, share, and subscribe this video? If I'm wondering, uh, do you familiar with this kinds of equation? If not, this episode is for you guys. So, we are going to break down or we are going to solve the value of x from this equation. So to find out the value of x, basically what you need to do is, let's say, let's multiply both sides with 1 upon x, okay? So what I'm trying to say is, let's say x, let me say the power of x multiplied with 1 upon x, okay, is equal to x, the power of 9, open the bracket, close the bracket, then 1 upon x, okay? Now, this means basically x, the power of, I mean 3 the power of x multiplied with 1 upon x, right? Which is equal to x, the power of 9 multiplied with what? 1. I mean 9 multiplied with 1 upon x, okay? Now, this means basically 1, I mean x multiplied with 1, you will get that x. So, or you can cancel this guy with this guy, or x you can cancel with x. So, you will end up with 3, right? 3 is equal to, yeah, from this side, you will get that x, 9 multiplied with 1, you will get 9, then x is the power of 9 over x, okay? That is what you can get. Now, from this equation, what you can do is, you can multiply both sides. Let's multiply both sides with 1 upon 9, okay? So what I'm trying to say is, you can multiply this side with 1 upon 9, as well as, let's multiply this guy with 1 upon 9, okay? Now, this guy, you will get that 1 upon 9, right? Which is equal to, this guy is 9, okay? And then, from this, you will get that x, I mean 9 minus, I mean 9 multiplied with 1 is equal to, let me rewrite over here, x to the power of 9 over x multiplied with 1 over 9, right? This is 1, okay? Now, you can cancel this guy with this guy. So you will get that x, I mean 3 is the power of 9, I mean 1 upon 9 is equal to x, the power of what? X, the power of 1 upon 9, okay? Well, I mean 1 upon x, okay? 1 upon x, that is what you can get. Now, from this equation, what we can do is, we can, let's say, let's multiply this guy or this term with 1, okay? What I'm trying to say is, basically 1 multiplied with 1 upon 9 or 1 over 9, you will get that 1 over 9, right? Another way that, let's say, 3 over 3 or 2 over 2, any number divided by any number itself, you will get a 1, right? So what I'm trying to say is 3 over 3 is equal to basically is 1, right? Or 2 over 2, 1 upon 1, or 7 over 7. Whatever number divided by itself, you will get an 1, right? So let's say multiply this guy with 1. So 3 is the power of 1 multiplied with 1 upon 9 is equal to x to the power of 1 upon x, right? Now, what we can do is, let's replace this guy with 3, right? 3, because 3 over 3 is 1, right? Now, 3, the power of, you will get that 3 over 3 multiplied with 1 upon 9 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x, right? I mean, this guy is 1, okay? 1 upon x, okay? This guy is 1. Now, because this guy is, as you know, this guy is 1, right? 1 upon, I mean, 3 over 3 is 1. So that's why I did multiply with 1 upon 1, 1 upon 9. So it's the same. Basically, it's the same with this guy or the same with this guy, okay? Now, let me move over here. Let's go over here. Now, 3, the power of 3, or let's rewrite this guy. So what I'm trying to say is, let's say 3, the power of 3 over 3 multiplied with 1 upon 9 is equal to x, the power of what? 1 upon x, right? Now, from this, what you can get is, as you know that from this equation, or from, yeah, we can use basically a exponent, or I mean the power rule. So from here, you will get that x3 is the power of 3 multiplied with 1, you will get the 3, and then 3 multiplied with 9, you will get 27, right? Or we can get 27, which is equal to is x to the power of 1 upon x, right? Now, from here, as you know that this guy, let's write this guy. So you will get that 3 the power of, this means basically 3 the power of 3 upon 1 upon 27, right? Because 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 1, you will get that 3, right? Which is equal to 1, x, okay? X the power of 1 upon x, okay? Now, from here, you will get 3 the power of 3 means 27, right? Everyone is familiar with that, I believe. So, 27, the power of 1 upon what? 1 upon 27, okay, is equal to x the power of 1 upon x, okay? Now, by using the combination rule, or comparison rule, basically, it's not a combination rule, by using the comparison rule, so what you can get is x is equal to 27, or technically 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 27, meaning that, which is basically is equal, you will get that from this equation, you will get x is equal to 27. So that is a solution for this guy. Let me know if you have any question regarding with this exponential equation. I'm happy to reply to you guys. Before finalize this session, let's verify over here. Okay, let's verify, or you can check this. You can replace this guy over here. So what I'm trying to say is 3 to the power of 27, right? You have the value of x is equal to 27, which is equal to x means 27, right? 27, and then now from here 3 the power of 27 is equal to 27 means, as you know, that 3 is the power of 3, right? So 3 the power of 3, okay, 3 is the power of 3, open the bracket, close the bracket, then multiplied with 9, okay? Now from this equation, 3 is the power of 27 is equal to, this guy is, like I said, is 27, right? So meaning that or what we can do is 3 to the power of 3 multiplied with, or you can multiply this guy with this guy, so meaning that 3 to the power of 3 multiplied with 9, so which is equal to 3 to the power of 27 is equal to 3 to the power of what? 27. So this is 27, so that is it. So meaning that this equation, this solution, the answer is correct. So yeah, that's all for today. Like I said, let me know if you have any question in the comment section. I'm happy to reply to you guys. Before end or before wrap up this session, like I said, could you please like, share, and subscribe at this episode? That will help me a lot.